What's up, guys? I want to give you this quick update video. So let's watch right now. Bitcoin, is it possible that Bitcoin goes down to 6K and Ethereum to $600? Let's jump straight in the charts. I don't want to hold you, bratans. Your time is valuable, so I don't want to waste it. And as we are waiting here, what is happening here with Bitcoin, because we are still broke out of this falling wedge, and technically we're waiting for the price tag of 20,400. Unless we are breaking this yellow line downside, then we can start to short. Right now it's a long opportunity still, in my opinion, not a financial advice. Do your own research, and don't forget we are trading on Bybit. You can get this bonus $4,620 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit, and you get free access to my Discord Telegram channel if you're trading through my affiliate link. So bratans, if we are watching on the weekly, it's technically speaking, it's not a clickbait, it's clearly technically you can see it. So Bitcoin could easily go to 6K. Why? You see this line? Look at this line. This is a huge support line, support and resistance line here since 2016. So over 6 years ago, it's a support line. You see here, it was a resistance line. Here it turned into support. And right now we could retest here this line. The next retest would be here at around it depends when. I mean, it could be at 6,700, or it depends on the time. I mean, for example, February to 2023 could at 7,000. So we could easily retesting this line. Obviously, if we would break this orange line to the downside, I think this will not happen, because if this happened, then Bitcoin would be a scam, because this is a really huge support line from the time on 2016. So very clear, we could easily go between 6,500. Here you see between 6,500, depends on time on the timeline, and $7,000 if we see more major bad news. If we see the Fed is increasing more the interest rates, what they told us they will do. We have some hope, because we have here this huge falling wedge, and this huge falling wedge, technically speaking, if we're breaking out, the price target of the falling wedge is the top of the wedge, and this would be 69K, so our all-time high. However, we have here another purple line. You see it also from 2020, a huge support line, which we broke down. You see right after we broke down, we had a huge dump here. It was a dump of over 37%. So if we break it out, we could easily watch Bitcoin to go to 32K, and after it get rejected and still reaching here around 7K. I hope you understand what I told you, bratans, because it's not bullshit. It's really, technically speaking, what could happen. And my absolutely bottom is it depends obviously on the timeline, but is 6,500 for Bitcoin. It would be amazing, because we can buy a very cheap Bitcoin back. Ethereum, it's very clear. We have here also a huge support line since 2021, so over 1 year old. And you see here support, and the next support would be here around $600. So we could easily go to $600. This would be major short opportunity for us, because it would be another 50%, and we could see here easily Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dropping down, we could easily see also Ethereum dropping down to $600. In my opinion, very clear. This was a macro perspective on the crypto market right now, bratans. If you want to know what are the price targets for the daily basis, watch the video from the morning. It's still valid. The price target's still valid of this falling wedge. We are on this falling wedge. We're expecting to reach 20,400 unless we're breaking this yellow line to downside. Then it's a short opportunity. We don't care if it's a pump or a dump. Obviously, we want a pump, but we can make gains on a dump or on a pump. It doesn't matter for us. If you want, you can watch the video a few hours ago. I did it. Don't forget to claim this bonus of $4,620 instead of $400 through my affiliate link. You get this bonus after a certain amount of initial deposit. Even without initial deposit, you get free access to my Telegram and Discord channel, where I tell you more about such things. So, bratans, I hope it was a very interesting perspective on the market. In my opinion, it was very nice. I have like every time when I do these videos, Bona, when I'm speaking about it, please write down below what do you think, or what is written here in the stars. Yes, there's written in the stars that sometimes whale shit is coming down to us. It happening sometimes, but we are prepared. We are watching the news, we are watching the macro factors, and we're watching also sometimes YouPorn. Bratans, I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.